Hello and welcome to Lightworks. In this video we're going to have a close look at the integrated search tool in the Content Manager. Find this at the top right of the panel underneath the magnifying glass icon. With Lightworks, the more metadata you add to your shots, the more accurate your searches can be. In this bin in columns view, I've been adding metadata to the who, shot, scene and description fields. To add data, simply click in the editable field and add the information. This is a shot of Caser, over the shoulder shot, scene 001, and the shot's OK. Let's do some searches. Back to the search tool. Underneath the Logs tab, I'm going to search for content that's contained in the whole project or the current bin. In our case, I'm going to search for clips that fulfill the following criteria. I'm going to search for all over the shoulder shots. Press search. Content Manager switches to the searches filter section and our first search is registered on a tab at the top. Shot type OSS, over the shoulder. Returning to the search tool, let's refine the search a bit further. From scene 1, over the shoulder shots of Caser, they're OK. The next search tab is revealed. I've got some video only cutaway shots in here, and we can use this drop down section here to reveal those. Let's search the bin directly. I'm going to go to my master drama bin, back to the search tool, and look for shots without audio tracks. Press search. The V-track only shots are selected directly. Let's have a look at the bin search tab. Before we do a search, I'm just going to compress my groups in the bins list. To the search tool, bins tab, let's search for a bin called master. The master bin is revealed. Let's search for a bin called bin 2. Bin 2 is revealed. If I just put bin in here, hit search, all the bins with the word bin in them are revealed in the bins list. There's another type of bin called a multicam bin. This contains a group of synchronized shots for multi-camera work. Let's search for a multi-camera bin that contains sync 1. The bin sync 1 is revealed. Similarly, I just search for the word concert in my multicam bins. Sync 1 and Sync 2 concert bins are highlighted in the bins list. Back to our search results, it's possible to make a dynamic user filter from this search result. To do that, right-click, choose Create Filter from the search results. Press Do It. Now we have the new over-the-shoulder shots revealed in our search filter. This means that as I mark up metadata on other shots that contain the search criteria we use to make these results, they'll be added to this filter display. If you like, you can use the search tool in the Tools box. This will work in the same way as the integrated search, but if the Content Manager is closed, it will be opened once the search is invoked. For users coming from earlier versions of Lightworks, you'll notice that there's a tab missing off the search tool. It's called the References tab, and it enables us to find shot references in our edit. Let's have a look where that can be found now. I've got a concert edit here prepared. And what I'd like to do is find specific shots on my timeline. To find these shot references, go to the Settings menu, choose Find, Clip References. The panel opens. I'd like to find shots under these criteria. The name contains camera 4. Now I can jump the timeline to the next or the earlier matches. I'm going to jump to earlier matches, and each time I press search, the timeline jumps to camera 4 shots. If you'd like, you can create a bin of those matching clips as the result, and that's appeared here. Edit name, searching for shots with camera 4 in them. It's one long clip. I can also create an edit that contains only those matches by using the Create Edit of Matches option. Pressing search creates an edit. We'll open that up. Checking the timeline, this now contains all the shots of camera 4 in their time position. And finally, we're going to have a look at another nifty tool found in the Settings menu, the Bin Search and Replace. We've looked closely at adding metadata to the bins, but what if you need to locate some metadata and change it for something else? This could be done on a single clip or a batch of clips. In my Search and Replace panel, I have a list of attributes to search for. The displayed list here relates to the columns you're displaying in your bin. Now these GoPro shots here come into the system without real ID metadata actually in the files for Lightworks to detect. In the absence of real ID metadata, Lightworks populates the real field with the same information as the clip name. What I'd like to do is search for the shot GoPro 0294. I'm going to copy that, return to the Search and Replace panel, search the real column for GoPro 0294 and replace with real 005. Press Do It. The shot or shots will all be selected that have been modified, and the metadata has been updated as we wished. That tool's a real time saver. Try and experiment with it. We hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.